Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, install Windows 10 21H2 update. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer, click OK. Open any browser. Type Windows 10 download. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Click Update now. Click Restart now. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.